Pearl adorned footwear for women comes in various styles, each adding a touch of elegance to different types of outfits. Here are some popular styles. Pearl sandals. These can be flat or heeled and often feature pearls on the straps, perfect for summer or beach wear. Pearl slides. Easy to slip on, these are casual and stylish, often used for lounging or quick errands. Pearl heels. High-heeled shoes with pearl embellishments, ideal for formal events or parties. Pearl flats. Comfortable and chic, they can be ballet flats or loafers adorned with pearls, suitable for everyday wear. Pearl sneakers. Combining comfort with style, these sneakers have pearl decorations, making them a trendy choice for casual outfits. Pearl boots. Boots with pearl accents, often used for more edgy yet sophisticated look, great for cooler weather. Offering height and comfort, these wedges can decorate with pearls and are perfect for summer outings and dressier occasions. Each type provides a unique blend of fashion and functionality, allowing for versatile styling options. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to our channel for more videos related to fashion. Thank you.